My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2019 Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG. This vehicle has done just over 72,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as a keyless ignition. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic headlights. On our screen, we can access navigation, radio, and media. We also have smartphone integration and our vehicle settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen we have our AC, which includes heated seats on either side. As we go to the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.